I remember my aunt's ex-husband.
All right, guys, here we are back at the shop. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of, this is the Arrma Infraction V2 Success. I believe this one has smart electronics with it. So let's take a look. Sweet.
Overall's pretty dope.
Oh, it's got that America thing to it.
American theme.
Yep.
The V1 had the military brownish look to it.
I wonder why they went with clear.
Looks dope.
Yeah, it does.
I don't mind it being clear.
Is this thing, is this,
Oh, you're pushing it the wrong way.
No, just so I can see if it was, I didn't know if it was still mounted to the bottom.
Oh yeah, Cock Heaven. Huh? Cock's here.
All right, thank you very much. All right, guys, so we're just gonna pop this hood, set it aside. All right, here we go. So it almost looks a little bit like the Felony on the back with this little scoop format. Obviously, these are all waterproof electronics. And then the battery case here is adjustable. This one's Success as well, right? Yeah, it is Success. Yeah, it looks almost like the Felony.
I'm ready for on-road. Next to that. I have, I think, 15 motors of Felonies and then 15. I'm never going to get 30 of them.
All right, so we have our,
If I get,
oh, here's the brake. So, all right, so I know this is everything everybody wants to see is the handbrake. This is the biggest difference here. Obviously, the Felony should have room for this. You know what? I'll bring it in. I got it in the car. So, obviously, this is your servo. This is everything here. But this is the biggest thing here is the brake is controlled by another servo here. I don't have any specs on it. Let me see if it's on the box. Waterproof, metal gear. Okay, so it is called the ADSM 15M waterproof 15 kg metal geared steering servo, 195 ounces of torque, 6 volts. It's a brake servo. So that's the name of it. And so I was reading that, of course, you don't want to be moving forward or in reverse when you hit this, or you don't want to have your finger on the throttle or reverse when you brake at the same time. So there it is.
oh yeah.
You got any questions about it, man? Anything you want to say about it?
Yeah, the cool thing I like about it, it has a diffuser type underneath.
Where's that?
So here. So it's all sealed all around.
Right.
High speeds, this diffuser is sucking down to the ground. In the
Oh,
rear.
nice.
Yeah.
You know, let me bring my car in and that way I can compare it for a little bit. All right, guys, so here we have our side-by-side comparison. We're looking at both the Felony and the new V2 Infraction. I've been told, so let's take a look at this really quick.
Oh, hold on. Afterwards, keep it like that. I'm going to take a picture for my
Okay, but question, you said the $30 module could go right here, right? For the brake?
Yeah.
For the for the Felony?
Yeah.
So, okay, so let's take a look at both of these because apparently you can upgrade it.
That's what a lot of people are going to do
So,
when it becomes available.
so this is the handbrake. So they have spacing for both of them. So here's your side-by-side comparison of the two. I'll zoom in. Front tires on each one are about the same size. Rear tires, obviously on the Felony, are a little bigger.
So nice.
One for yourself?
Taiwan, man.
But I'm trying to see.
So you want to please the customers first.
So you do have that space here, right in the middle of the casing, right between the battery case. Okay, so this is where the brake would go on the Felony here. It's right here in this little spot.
Even Robinson's hobbies or Robin's hobbies, all of us only got 3.
Wow.
So, and Robin's is huge.
Let's see. So this one, obviously, I haven't tightened my motor just yet.
Getting any type of special love.
Right.
What do you think about these two comparison? This is your first look at the Felony up front, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, but the obvious difference is the rear tires.
Yep.
Yeah. So did they find a need to have rear tires larger on the Felony versus the Infraction? Like, does it handle any different?
I think I know usually the Infraction drifts a little bit more versus maybe the Felony.
Right. They both have capacitors.
Yep. I think this is a battery for the receiver or something. I'm not sure if that's a capacitor.
That should be a capacitor.
It should be a capacitor? Okay. See, this came with an antenna. Mine didn't come with the tube.
Really?
Yeah. See, I had to get my own here.
Yours came with the receiver.
Yeah, it comes with everything, but except I just didn't get that little tube. I thought most of the time it's in the box. Like you get the same type of arms here. The parts looks like they are interchangeable. Looks like you have the same width and length of the front bumper here. So that all looks interchangeable as well. So if you guys get 2 of these and you have a double set of parts, you're in good luck.
Tell the guys to hoard their parts because parts are going to be hard on you. Since it's a new release, you know.
Yeah, especially with both of these because you're going to have people ordering in 2s.
Yeah, we always have advised people to just take it easy on new releases.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Don't overwhelm, you know. Don't go overboard.
True. Yeah, so obviously you guys can see the only big difference here, obviously the tires and the braking system that you have there. So, but you do have room on the Felony to upgrade it. Here, is that a bracket? I'm trying to see how this is mounted in here.
What up, Blake?
Yeah, I'm trying to see how exactly this is mounted in here. Is it mounted to this? Or is it?
Want to see the undercarriage?
Let's take a look. Is it? Is that it? Here, let me see here.
Yeah, that look like the Servo mount.
What's this? Yep, that's it. So the servo in the middle is mounted to the chassis itself. So they left that there. I was wondering why those were empty. So yeah, they left it there. So you guys can compare the two. These are empty and these are full. So that's where you would put your servo right there. It's the same build type, honestly. Yeah, I just ran it for about a good 20 minutes.
Okay.
Handles really nicely.
Hey, Nick, I'll get the Infraction, you get the Felony.
Sweet. So,
I'm leaning towards the Infraction.
anything else you want to see?
I don't know.
You have any thoughts, man?
Body. The silver one's pretty good.
This is my Felony, and then this is the brand new V2 Infraction. So this one has the handbrake in the middle.
That's hella good.
They're both 6S out of the box.
They're not too different.
No, just except the brake,
Yeah.
and then obviously the tires. So they're pretty much built the same. Again, anybody, like I said, can get double the parts, have the same car.
You put the They both pushing the same speed.
Yeah, it should be about 80 out of the box. I think this one's 80.
Just call me periodically, but it's estimated for the Felonies. Already this next month?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming. We have the 8S, the 6S, We have all of them. Trying to get all of them in here.
That's gonna be cool. I like that.
Hey, Rick.
You know me.
So if you wanted to, could you remove the lower spoiler facade and have a bumper? You'd only have the protrusion of the
Yeah, you could.
with your body.
The only thing on the Felony that I don't like is this thing plays a little bit, so you have a chance to get wind underneath there,
Okay.
even though it's not much. But I'm sure if you're trying to do speed runs, you don't want any air trying to get up underneath the chassis like that.
Right. So is there a space in between, or just a little?
No, it's just a little play in it.
Okay.
So
Body here.
yeah, the cool thing about this body is that you have to mount it to the chassis, so it has these little holes here. Yeah, you have these little holes here on the side. I didn't even notice that during my run, so you have to try to line it up there, and then I mean it pretty much clamps down on itself once you put the body on there, but you just want to pay attention to that.
Oh, okay.
You find something.
Nice.
No?
Yeah, both of these have 450 kV motors, and you have 6S ESCs to go along with these. So
What? You broke it?
No.
Oh,
He's got 3. So when the kids come over,
oh my God. You should let that
sweet
fly.
looking cars. Arrma's definitely doing it up this year, man.
last week, this is kind of therapy. You know.
So let's take a look at the reel really quick.
The more therapy, the better.
All right, man, have a good day.
Hey, we'll keep you posted on this event.
Okay.
So there's your rear. They're both pretty much the same, except the Felony has all this additional stuff here on the back.
Zell also?
Yeah, Zell. Okay, so when you see it on Instagram,
Gotcha. All right, thanks.
all right, bro.
So I spent the last couple hours deciding, trying to pick if I wanted yellow or silver trim.
You already have.
All right, guys, hit me up if you have any questions. This is Diekin signing out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out my other social media. Subscribe to me on Patreon. I got some really cool stuff coming on. And yeah, we got some good gaming stuff coming up too.
What is yours?
You guys have a good day. Later.